So what'd you guys build today?
What we built is a very clean looking gaming PC inside this Sama RGB white case featuring the RTX 3060 Ti and i5-12400F.
Yeah, so we also have a Gigabyte H610 MS2H to save a little bit of money, a 1TB NVMe Silicon Power SSD, only 16GB DDR4, 3600 MHz RAM, a Zalma Gigamax 600W 80+ bronze power supply, inside of a Sama white Micro ATX ARGB Q5 case.
So yeah, if you want to buy this PC, head on over to PCBros.tech today, and if you use code ToastyBros2 on checkout, you'll save 2% on your next purchase. And also, guys, we have a really cool build mat that you can buy over at PC Bros. Check out these bad boys too. They're for sale right now.